Hey there, I want to do a quick review on this coffee filter. This is a size number 4. These come in a 4-pack. We personally are still using the first one that we pulled out of the pack, which has been at least a year, if not more, since we've done that. So these things are built to last. Super easy to clean. You've got this nice durable screen on here. So to rinse out, you tap it a couple times on a trash can, most of it falls out, and then it's spray off and done. You can throw them in the dishwasher. We do anyway. I've had no issues with it at all. So again, I will say these are extremely durable. If you're looking to maybe ditch the paper, save a little bit of money yearly on not having to spend money over and over on the coffee filters, I would highly suggest going with something like this.